Hey guys, if you're getting the error message, this version of AMD Radeon software you've launched is not compatible, then keep watching as in this video I'm going to show you how we can solve this. So the first thing you're going to need to do is head over to your start menu and then just search for Device Manager. Click on the Device Manager window and from here come down to Display Adapters and expand this drop down. Now you need to locate your AMD graphics card from this list of display adapters, and we're just going to right click on it, select Properties, click on Driver, and if you have this option to roll back the driver, then you're going to go ahead and select that. Now if you don't have the rollback driver option available, if it's grayed out like it is for me, then what you're going to do instead is press Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers, and then press Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then just go ahead and select your AMD graphics card like so. Click on Next, and as you can see, that's now installed the latest AMD driver to our device. And the next thing you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and from here you need to type in AMD driver download and hit enter. Click on the very top search result. Scroll down to Windows 10 and Windows 11 drivers, and then go ahead and press Download Window Drivers. From here, you'll just need to double-click on the installation file and then go ahead and install this to your PC. So once you get to this screen, just go ahead and continue with the installation. Once again, click on Install, and then you'll just need to wait a few minutes while it installs all of the latest drivers to your device. So once you finish with the installation, that should have now fixed the error message for you. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.